And I think that's the whole point, is
Yeah.
that we keep getting into these problems in all the states because of the way that individuals are interpreting these murky laws, which is really why they shouldn't exist.
So the medical case involving Adriana Smith, a nurse pronounced brain dead on February 19th, was 9 weeks pregnant, remains on life support. The case is reigniting political and legal debate over Georgia's abortion law, with the family of 30-year-old Adriana Smith claiming that they were unable to make decisions about her care due to the state's Life Act, commonly known as the heartbeat law. But Dr. Zeman, we can read the articles, but we aren't in Georgia. What is your take on the case, and what are you hearing among friends and colleagues?
I think most people agree this case is incredibly tragic, especially the fact that the patient's mother went out to the news saying that she's suffering every time she sees her daughter in this condition. And she came out and said she doesn't know what the family would have decided, but that she's speaking out because they didn't have a choice. So I think, most people agree the patient or her family should be having the choice. Even the state's conservative attorney general said withdrawing care and a 9-week fetus dying would not constitute abortion. So it would not be in violation of the state's abortion law.
But this is what, at least my take, and you tell us in Georgia, in a place that has a heartbeat law post-Roe, the post-Dobbs decision by the Supreme Court, it's this murky morass of what is or isn't legal, what is medical. I mean, does that feel right, that there's just a lot of unknowns, and that's the problem?
And I think that's the whole point, is that we keep getting into these problems in all the states because of the way that individuals are interpreting these murky laws, which is really why they shouldn't exist. People should be able to always offer the best medical care in that instant for that patient without worrying about these laws, being fined, being arrested, going to jail, all the other things.